Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your HDFC debit card PIN. Activating your new debit card by generating a 4-digit personal identification number is a crucial first step. This unique PIN is absolutely essential for conducting all your online and offline transactions, including cash withdrawals. HDFC Bank provides several convenient and secure methods to help you set up your PIN quickly and easily. HDFC Bank offers you flexibility in generating your debit card PIN. You can choose to do it conveniently at any HDFC Bank ATM through their secure net banking portal or via the HDFC mobile banking application. Additionally, for quick assistance, you can use SMS services or simply call their customer care. The bank also uses a green PIN facility, making the process paperless and more efficient. Let's walk through two popular methods. For ATM generation, insert your card, select PIN generation, then input your 11-digit account number and registered mobile number. Confirm to receive a one-time password. For net banking, log in, navigate to the Cards tab, then Debit Cards, and choose Instant PIN Generation. Select your card, create a new 4-digit PIN, and authenticate the process with a one-time password sent to your registered mobile number. Securing your debit card PIN is paramount for protecting your finances. Always remember to keep your 4-digit PIN strictly confidential. Never share it with anyone, not even bank officials. It is also highly recommended to avoid writing your PIN down or storing it on any electronic device. For enhanced security, make it a practice to change your debit card PIN periodically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.